What's going on, everybody? Today is Thursday, December 12th, and it's 4:53 p.m. and we're back with another delivery ride along. I'm about to go ahead and turn on Grubhub. I do have a 5 to 7 shift, and then depending on how the night goes, I might stay out until 8 or so. Once again, I'm going to go to that unavailable, tap on it, and then we're going to swipe. And I'm ready to take offers. So it's 5:06 and I don't have anything from Grubhub yet. I turned on Postmates and we got an order. Oh, no, what? I hit accept. No! I missed it. Crap. It's 5:10 and the order popped back up. I guess it was rejected by other people, so I'm right across the street and I'm about to go pick up this McDonald's order with Postmates. So I'm actually on my way to go drop off that McDonald's order.
Turn left on Wernick Road.
And you know, I second guessed taking it, and literally right after I got a Grubhub order. So I actually stacked orders right now, so I'm kind of rushing to get things done a little bit. Just because it started off real slow. It's 5:30, so I was sitting for like 15-20 minutes before I actually got that first order. Luckily, McDonald's was quick, even though they were very busy, and it shouldn't delay me too much. I'll check in with you after I drop off both of these orders. So I was only about 5 minutes late on that order, so I didn't have any issues, which is awesome. The guy was also on the phone, so he didn't say anything. So I feel like I lucked out. It's not something I normally do, stacking orders with different apps. But if you're out there delivering and you do that all the time, comment down below and let me know how you handle it. It seems like a lot of stress to juggle. As I'm leaving the hotel, I got a new offer through Grubhub for Pacific Pasta and Grill for $18. We're gonna go ahead and accept that. I'm on my way. Okay, so it's 6:13 and we just got to the restaurant. I'm gonna mark arrived and go grab the food. Alright, so time is now 7:12 and I just got home. It's been a slow night. I only had 3 total orders and I'm getting over cold, so I decided I'm going to call it quits. So for my 2 orders with Grubhub, I made $31.06, and then for the 1 Postmates, I made $4.25. So that's what, $17.56 an hour or something like that. Not the best night, but I have had worse before, and there's still the chance for getting a tip on this Postmates order. I'm going to continue this vlog the next time I go out delivering. Have a nice night, everybody. What's up, everybody? Today is Friday, December 13th, and it's 4:55 p.m. I have a 3.5-hour Grubhub shift that I'm about to start. A little update first is I did get a tip for that McDonald's Postmates order from yesterday of $3, so it's not a lot, but it does bump my pay up to $19 an hour for yesterday, so pretty good, especially with only 3 orders in 2 hours, so I'll take it. Alright guys, it's 6:33 and I just got to Burger King. I'm about to do my third order. My second order was with Buffalo Wild Wings. It's been super busy, so it's been hard to record, but I'll keep you updated. It's now 10 after 7 and I just arrived to my favorite pizza place, Rocco's Pizza. Honestly, in the Tri-Cities, this is one of my favorite pizza joints. And with how busy it's been through Grubhub lately, I have a feeling I'm not the only one. So it's 7:50, and I've got some quick story time. I got an order that I rejected because I was far away. It was for Burger King, and it was like $10, but it was like 10 miles away, so I wasn't going to do that one. So then I was waiting, and my throat has been hurting me since I'm getting over this cold still. So I ran into Walgreens and got some cough drops. I leave Walgreens, I get an order for Red Robin. I'm super excited because it says that as a Grubhub order I get a free cup of fries. So I'm stoked, right? So I get here, I pull into Red Robin, I get a notification from Grubhub, and it's canceled. So now I'm sitting at Red Robin, waiting for my next order, not sure when it's gonna come, and I missed out on free fries. So I'm kind of mad about that, but it is what it is. Hopefully I get another order because my shift ends at 8:30. It started to die down after 7, so I don't know. I would think I'd get at least one more, but probably not 2. I'll update you at the end of the night and let you know how it goes. Alright, so it's now 8:02, and while I was waiting at Red Robin for a Grubhub order, I was like, you know what, I'm just going to turn on Postmates, because it was like 35 minutes without an order since that one was canceled. And I didn't want to have to wait another 20 to 30 minutes to get another order. So I turn on Postmates and I instantly get an offer for Little Caesars and another offer
1 mile. Stay to the left to George Washington Way.
For Burger King. So I have 2 orders. The restaurants are like right next to each other and drop-offs are pretty close. So hopefully this is a good decision. I've been wanting to use Postmates a little more, so I'm excited about it. I have heard that with Postmates there are bonuses, right? So during certain times of the day. I don't have bonuses right now. And I was doing some research and heard that if you don't deliver regularly with Postmates, they take those bonuses away. So I kind of want to test that theory, because when I was using Postmates and delivering with those bonuses, I was making some pretty good money. So I'm about to go pick up these orders, and then I will probably call it a night.
Stay to the left to George Washington Way.
But either way, I will update you when I get done. Alright, so I just got home and it's 8:48. For those 2 Postmate orders, I got paid $7.43. And then for Grubhub, I got paid $63.43. So that's what? A little over $70. I guess $71 for the night. Not too bad, right around 20 bucks an hour. I did have a few issues with Grubhub towards the end of my shift, which is why I ended it early and switched to Postmates, but I don't think that's normal. I plan to deliver again tomorrow because my wife does not work tomorrow, so hopefully I could get out for lunch shift. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.